Welcome to the PowerCube M1C installation video. Use properly insulated tools to prevent accidental electric shock or short circuits. If insulated tools are not available, cover the entire exposed metal surfaces with available insulated alternatives, except their tips, with electrical tape. It is recommended to wear the following safety gear when dealing with the battery pack. Before installation and system working, the dust and iron scurf must be cleaned to ensure the environment cleaning, and the environment must have certain anti-dust ability. The system after long-term running must check if the humidity and dust cover or not. If heavy dust cover with high humidity on the system, stop the system running and make clean specially for the high voltage connectors. PowerCube M1C system operating temperature range 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Optimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. The room must be equipped with cooling system. In addition to the operating temperature range, the battery may shorten its service life, and may even trigger an alarm or protect it from too high or too low temperature if the environment is lower than 0. The heating system at first must be turned on. The room must be equipped with fire extinguisher system for lithium-ion battery. Before the battery installation, be sure the grounding point of the basement is stable and reliable. If the battery system is installed in an independent equipment cabine, make sure the grounding of the cabin is stable and reliable. Check the packing list. External cable kits for wiring connection up to battery controller. The battery rack is LP00. It must be installed in a restricted access area. The rack must be fixed on the basement and secured on the wall with M20 screws. The ground cable can also be connected from the M8 grounding bolt on the frame base. Grounding cable must be 6 greater than or equal to a WG. Single battery module weighs 43 kilograms. If without handling tools, it must be handled by more than 3 persons. If installed in high place off the rack, it must more than 4 men, or use lifting device. Dismantle the rack metal strip on the left side and right side of the rack. After installation of the control module, BMS, all battery modules need installed to the metal strips back for security. Install the buckle nuts. Install the control module, BMS, and all battery modules in. When system configured, PowerCube M1C less than or equal to 6. The communication between PowerCube M1C uses CAN communication mode. PowerCube M1C uses CAN communication mode. When system configured, PowerCube M1C less than or equal to 32. The communication between PowerCube M1C and MBMS uses Ethernet switch by LAN communication. A DD switch. Battery controller is a 6-bit dial switches to manually distribute communication address of the battery system. Down position is off, means 0. Up position is on, means 1. 1s bit to 5 bit is for address, and the 6-bit dial switch support a 1202 resistance. Press and hold the start button for more than 5 seconds until the buzzer rings. The LED indicator on front panel will light on if the start loop is successful. If long press greater than 10 seconds, the start button 30s after power on. The status lamp will become green if the black start function is enabled. The battery strings system will check itself. If the BMS and all battery modules are working normally, every status LED will light green. That means self-check or passed. Self-check will be finished within 5 seconds. During maintenance or long-term storage, be sure to turn off the battery system